that Tonto Dikeh says she's going to take my life.
Wahala be like Verydarkman and skin vendor. So hey my people, how una day? Is your girl Cindy? I don't carry another ogbonge news come drop phone. Now we are my amebo people make una bring cheers it done. I don't bring another ogbonge news come drop phone. Now una not say as amebo get where I be bringing this na my number one priority. As I just dey scroll, dey find gist. Now I jam this matter between Verydarkman and Tonto Dikeh. Verydarkman don dey cry out to the public, say Tonto Dikeh dey threaten him life. Say Tonto Dikeh won't buy am. I talk am before, say this year go long go, we never even enter half. We still dey January. Everybody just dey cry out, internet just dey hot. Everybody just dey cry out, they say this person won't buy am, this person won't buy am. But wait oh, Verydarkman dey fear. I be waiting up with him voice. Let's listen to the full video.
So, good day people. As you all know, I am somebody that stands for what is good, and as a result of my activism online against skincare vendors and everything, I've been able to gain popularity on social media and also commenting on some social issues. But because of one social issue recently that took me to the police station for questioning, apparently Tonto Dikeh reported me to the police. Now, on reaching the police station, by the grace of God, I really appreciate the Nigerian police for how fair they were and how transparent they were in the process. After that, I came back home. I'm not going to go into details of what happened to the police station. I'll give that details later. When I came back home, I made a video. I slept. Waking up this morning, I woke up to missed calls, over 30 missed calls from my family members and relatives. I was wondering what happened. When I picked up the phone and I called my auntie, she said I should run away. I asked her why I should run away. She said, just run away, come to Benin, come and hide in Benin. That Tonto Dikeh says she's going to take my life. Now, I was wondering where they saw that until I checked my DM and saw a lot of people sending me different DMs of what Tonto Dikeh posted on her Instagram. Then I went there to check it for myself. And this is what was on her Instagram page. Now, she said, it is safe to say I am fearless. It is safe to say that I am fearless. Yesterday, I witnessed a young man who has bullied his elders for far too long, deny his crimes like a baby. I am still shocked. He clearly said I never referred to her or knew she has a son. As well, she did not speak on her son. Listen up. I am as bold as a lion, shouting and wild and elegant, confident like a tiger on a solo mission to dominate foes and naysayers. Even though it appears this generation is about fingers running wild behind the keypad, be aware I am solidly ready to act accordingly wherever outside in person to put an end to all these shenanigans. Well, like I said, let it begin. This is just day one. This is actually a threat to me. You understand? Then she made reference. Yesterday I said, can you catch a smoke? I just made my post. And then she said, when the smoke clears, charcoal still hot. So this is a threat. Immediately, as I was trying to, she deleted it. But before she deleted it, I screen recorded it. While she was deleting it, God so kind, I screen recorded that part. Until she deleted it, my screen recorder was still on. Now, to the Nigerian politician, and I'm talking to APC, you people have a politician in your midst that is threatening to actually take my life when she sees me in the open. And mind you, Tonto Dikeh is somebody that knows where I work out because we actually use the same gym. So she knows my routine. She knows when I come and when I go. She was thrown down with threats. I've reported to the police, but I still want the general public to know because as of now, I'm a public figure and an influencer. So I am pleading because I am scared for my life at this point because Tonto Dikeh has threatened and I've been receiving calls from hidden numbers. I've been receiving calls. So please to the general public, if you can see this video,
In as much as I know like Verydarkman, but nobody deserve to buy. No dey threaten people. Any matter where you see, make you just take them to the police station. I be my people, how una see am. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.